Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a translucent text box in Premiere Pro. For us to be able to begin, we'll need to have a background first. So I have the background already ready in here, and then right after, we need to create a rectangle shape. So for us to be able to do so, we could do that here under Essential Graphics. So if you're not seeing this onto your end, click on Windows, click on Essential Graphics in here to activate that. So under its edit tab, we have a new layer in here. So there is an option to go ahead and create a rectangle. So we could see that. And then we could also move this here onto the center. So once done, make sure to go ahead and check the stroke here. And let's just leave it as it is. And then right after, make sure as well that here onto the fill color, it is color black. So we have set that one, click on OK. Right after, let's go to the effects control. So here under effects control, so let's find in here the opacity. So let's try to go ahead and lower this down up until around 75. So feel free to adjust this here. And there you have it. It creates a translucent effect. You have now created a clean, professional translucent text box in Premiere Pro in just a few quick steps. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.